You say friend, right? The best friend or anything that is support, right? So one word that you can use, which is companion.
Companion.
Okay.
Companion.
So many people find cars as their companion.
Companion.
So would you like to use it in a sentence? What I loved about you is you are expressing quite well. Okay. You're using your body language. Your sentences are expressive. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
All right. So everything is impressive. Okay. I love the
Okay.
confidence in which you're saying it. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
All right. But see, what we can do to improve it, which is to replace our basic words. I love when you use peculiar. Okay. You used great vocabulary in between while you were describing your story. Okay. But yes, what we can do, we can replace so funny with another word. Okay. You've wrote a story.
By myself, by making it in my mind.
Oh my goodness. I would love to know about your story then.
I
Would
mean,
you like to share it to me?
there, there.
Hmm.
How about having license?
No, having license, it's affordable.
Okay.
Okay. You just have to take a test. You have to write down a test and you have to um,
Drive a car in
yes, yes,
the
yes,
test.
exactly. Yes. So driving test also, right?
Oh, this part is so funny. I am not imagining to say that, but I have to. Like
Mhm.
the necklace turned into a prince, and the prince has power to make that girl alive.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So you
My when I go somewhere without my car, so my dad can take care of it.
definitely right. Your dad can take care of that, right?
Yeah. My morning is good. My
Mhm.
morning is right as a rain. My mom name is Shikha because she booked this session, and my name is Diksha.
Okay. Your name is Diksha.
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
Should
So okay. So do you take regular sessions?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And how's your experience so far? What are the things that you've been learning?
New things.
Hmm.
I'm getting confidence. My confidence are building.
Confidence is building, right?
Is
Right. Or you can simply say, yes, I'm feeling confident.
I'm feeling confident. I prefer to say that
Hmm.
I I it I love talking with new people.
Oh my
People.
goodness. Lovely, lovely. It is great to know that you love talking to new people.
Yeah.
All right. Great. So, yes, as we are meeting for the first time, first of all, Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Yes. And as we are meeting for the first time, my name is Gaurav. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Right. 3 years that I've been helping learners in their English speaking journey. And as you rightly said, I'm trying to make people more confident.
Okay.
Yes. All right. So, do you have any questions or any doubt that you would like to ask?
No.
No? Okay. So, shall we begin with the
Should I
session note?
should
Yeah,
I
yeah,
introduce
definitely,
myself?
definitely. Yeah.
My name is Sudiksha. I'm 6 years old, and I'm from India. But right now, I'm living in Brunei because my dad works here.
All right, all right.
And
Great. So
hobbies are playing, dancing, skipping, skating, and most favorite is drawing and painting.
you have many hobbies. Oh my goodness. All right. So, okay, can I give you one tip?
What is the tip?
Okay. So, you've mentioned that you like to play or you like playing,
Yes,
right? It would be better if you specify what sports you like to play.
I like to play badminton,
You like to play badminton, great. Hmm.
and only I am a bit expert at football.
Oh my goodness, you consider yourself expert?
Means I can play. Means sometimes I can play, but I sometimes most time I lose because I don't know
Most time, it should be most of the time,
most of the time.
right? I said that, do you have any friends, those who can guide you how to play football correctly?
No, actually,
Mhm.
I don't have any of them. My mom always teach me all the games she knows.
Okay, okay. My mom teaches me, right?
Yeah, my mom is my uh game me game coach.
No, you can simply say my mom teaches me or guides me.
My mom, my mom is my favorite teacher.
Hmm. All right, all right. Or you can simply say my mom is my coach.
Uh, okay, my mom is my coach.
Right. So today's topic is, oh my goodness, my four-wheeled love. Do you love cars?
I do love cars.
Oh my goodness, I would love to
Oh,
know which one is your favorite.
I I clicked on the session note. It's right car topic. It's a
Yes,
car topic.
yes, right. So we are going to have a conversation or a chat about cars.
Wow. I want to really drive a car.
You want to drive a car,
Yeah.
but don't you
My
think you're
mom, my mom already knows how to drive a car. I want
great?
to know.
But you'll have to wait till the age of 18, I guess. You won't be able to drive till the age of 18, right? You will get your driving license at the age of 18,
Okay.
and
But it
after,
will be lots of money, right?
yes, it requires not to have a license but to buy a car, I guess.
Yeah. How
Hmm.
about having license?
No, having license, it's affordable.
Okay.
Okay, you just have to take a test. You have to write down a test, and you have to um,
Drive a car in
yes,
the
yes, yes,
test.
exactly, yes. So driving test also, right?
Oh,
Okay, all right. So I would love to know that which is your favorite car.
I like rainbow car the most.
Hmm.
Means, but there are no rainbow cars. I like pink car the most. Then
All right. Do you have any specific brand that you are fan of?
no,
No.
no.
All right. What is your favorite color for a car?
For the car is my favorite color pink, of course.
Pink. Oh my goodness. Don't you think that would be quite odd?
Odd means
Strange, or something which is quite uncommon?
no. In Brunei there are pink cars.
Oh my goodness. Okay, there are pink cars. All right. So you would like to have a pink car, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. And which color or a car that you would never buy in your life?
I would never buy in my life black or white. Actually,
Oh,
not black. White is
okay.
my favorite color.
Okay. So you won't buy any black car.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. All right. And do you have any travel plans? Let's say, for example, wherever you want to
I
go,
want to travel whole world, whole
you want to
earth.
travel the whole world. Great. Okay. So, would you prefer to go with your own car, or would you use the public transport or any other vehicle?
I will use other vehicle. I would.
Okay, you would prefer other vehicles.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yes.
My when I go somewhere without my car, so my dad can take care of it.
Definitely. Right. Your dad can take care of that, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. hmm. Right. All right. And do you also think that people are emotionally connected with their cars?
Yes.
Hmm? People
Yes.
take care of their machines as human beings, right? They wash
Yeah.
them, they fuel, right? They take care of their vehicles just like
Yeah.
it's their family member.
Yeah.
Right.
What do you do for living?
I teach.
That I was gonna say that. Are you teaching for living? I was gonna say that.
Okay, I didn't get your question. Could you repeat it?
What do you do for living? Then I was gonna say, do you teach?
Oh yes, I teach. So teaching is my main profession.
Do you like reading books? Because I can see lots of books behind
Yes,
you.
yes, I love reading books. So whenever I find time, yes, I would love to read. I would love to read about new topics, novels, right? Many things.
Okay.
Yes. Do you read books?
I do read book. I have 100, not 100 actually, 50 or 60 story books.
Story books. Oh my goodness. So do you remember any of the stories that you've read?
No, I don't remember. I've forgotten. I
Okay.
wrote a story by myself that I didn't forgotten
Okay, you've wrote a story.
by myself by making it in my mind.
Oh my goodness. I would love to know about your story then. Would you
Means
like to share it to me?
there 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 was a one day there was a little girl named Elsa. She was gonna meet her granny,
Hmm.
and she went to her granny's house.
Hmm.
Then she decided to stay there for one day. Then
Hmm.
She asks her granny, Granny, can I go to the forest behind your house? Granny says, No,
Hmm.
no, it's got dark. You
Hmm.
should get inside.
Hmm.
Wild animal might eat you.
Hmm.
And then when her granny fell asleep, she sneaked out and go
Hmm.
to the forest.
Hmm.
She was walking and walking and walking. She
Hmm.
heard a peculiar sound.
Hmm.
She started following the sound.
Hmm.
And there was a tree come nearby to her. Then she ran and climbed the tree, and she saw a golden necklace
Hmm.
in that.
Oh my god. Oh
It's
my
so
goodness.
funny,
Hmm.
and it's so funny. And the lion was chasing her. That she
Hmm.
heard a sound.
Hmm.
That was the lion sound. And then she fell down from the tree. Then the crow take it from her. Then she catch the necklace and get it from her. Then the lion attacked at the same time. The
Hmm.
This part is so funny. I am not imagining to say that, but I have to. Like
Hmm.
the necklace turned into a prince, and the prince has power to make that girl alive.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So you wrote this story by yourself.
Yeah,
Hmm. All right. So I think I guess you are quite creative. Hmm.
yes, I am. Me.
Okay. Hmm. Great. And she see. Okay. What I loved about you is you are expressing quite well. Okay. You are using your body language. Your sentences are expressive. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
All right. So everything is impressive. Okay. I love the
Okay.
confidence in which you are saying it. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
All right. But see, what we can do to improve it, which is to replace our basic words. I love when you use peculiar. Okay. You used great vocabulary in between while you were describing your story. Okay. But yes, what we can do, we can replace so funny with another word.
Is it? Uh, is it fun? I can't guess.
Okay. So see, what you can do if you want to say it funny, you can say extremely funny.
Extremely funny.
Or another advanced word you can use, which is hilarious.
Hilarious.
Right? If you find something very funny or to laugh at, you can use one word which is hilarious. Okay.
Hilarious.
So would you like to use hilarious word in a sentence?
Yes,
Hmm.
it is so hilarious. Yes.
Or the story is quite hilarious.
This- The book is the storybook is quite hilarious.
Right? Yes. So now I want you to use this word. Okay. Hmm. Okay. And I would like you to use another word which is, you say friend, right? The best friend or anything that is support. Right? Hmm. So one word that you can use which is companion.
Companion.
Okay.
Companion.
So many people find cars as their companion.
Companion.
So would you like to use it in a sentence?
This book is my companion.
Yes, this book is my companion. Great.
This bottle is my companion.
Hmm. Right?
This,
Yes.
this chair is my companion. This
Yes, the
balloon is
chair
my
can be your companion. Right?
this home is a companion.
Hmm. Yes, many people can relate their friends with multiple things. Right?
Yeah,
Hmm. All right. Another word which I said, which is multiple. Okay.
multiple.
Yes. So when we want to say many or multiple, is there any other word that you can find to describe?
I can.
Okay. So if you want to say it, you can say numerous,
Numerous.
right? Multiple or many. So would you like to give it a try to use it in a sentence? Numerous.
Numerous.
Hmm.
This fridge has numerous.
Yeah. Functions or features.
Oh, this phone has numerous.
Right. Yes. Functions or features. Right. You can use many words. Okay. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. So at the end of the session,